A very good morning to class 2 boys. I hope you are safe and secure. Now today we will start the capital adjustment next portion. Okay, when the new partner capital is not given. So before we understood the concept, note down this question. This is question number 92 from T.S. Grewal. Note down this question and then we have the adjustment. Then I will teach you how we do the capital adjustment part when the new partner capital is not given. Now here we see a mark here when the new partner capital is not given. The first portion we already did when the new partner capital is given. So we say that adjusted capital on the basis of new partner capital. Here we need to find the new partner capital on the basis of old partner capital. So before we know the concept, just note down this question. The question says that following is the balance sheet of Abhay and Vinay. The balance sheet date is given sorry, on 31st March 2014. They say creditors 13,000, employees provident fund, which is an outside liability, treat him just like a creditors, 8,000. Workman compensation fund is the important part, 15,000. We already did how we treat workman compensation fund on different cases. The capital account is given Abhay and Vinay 55,000 and 30,000 respectively. It makes the liability side equal to 85,000. Then on the asset sides, bank is given 15,000, debt is 22,000, and there's a provision is given 1,000. So we get the provision, it makes debtors 21,000, stock 10,000, plant and machinery is 60,000, goodwill is given the question. Please mark it, this is an important part. Goodwill 10,000, and profit and loss account also one of the things is given over here is 5,000. Now please mention here, whenever goodwill is there in the old balance sheet, as per the AS26 partnership term, we know that goodwill cannot be shown in the books. Whenever goodwill is there in the old balance sheet, we immediately write off. So इस goodwill को हमें write off करना है. Profit and loss given the asset side, it means a loss. Why is a loss? Profit is a liability of the business. It always increase the capital. But here the profit loss given the asset side is a loss bear by the old partners, not by all partners. Because ये loss जो है ये अभय और विनय का है. Okay? इसमें नई पार्टनर कोई लेना देना नहीं है. So this profit loss is to be bear by old partners. We need to decrease their capital. I hope this portion is clear. Okay, note down this balance sheet. This is question number 92 from T.S. Grewal. I'm writing the question so that you can able to note it down. And then we note down the adjustment part. There are certain adjustments given. Take the snapshot of this. Okay, now the adjustments. Now note down the adjustment part. Chitra was admitted as partner for 1/4 share. The new partner is Chitra. Bad debts amounted to rupees 1,500 will be written off. Means अब आपको 1,500 डेटर में से नहीं मिलने वाले. तो bad debts amounted to be 1,500 will be written off. हमें देखना पड़ेगा हमने old provision कितना बना रखा है. तो उसके हिसाब से we can find out how much the bad debt increases. Stock worth rupees 8,000 were taken over by Abhay and Vinay. This is an interesting one. Understand this one very carefully. Stock जो है worth rupees 8,000 were taken over by Abhay and Vinay. Name of ABHAY. Abhay and Vinay at book value in their profit sharing ratio. And जो बाकी जो stock था, the remaining stock valued at rupees 2,500. It means stock 8,000 रुपये का stock Abhay and Vinay ने take over कर लिया है. 8,000 का stock at their book value means जितने रुपये का stock था वो उतने रुपए का ही टेक ओवर किया है. It means the stock valued at rupees 8,000, it will be taken by Abhay and Vinay at rupees 8,000 only in their profit sharing ratio. The remaining stock valued at rupees 2,500. बाकी जो stock था it's valued at rupees 2,500. Plant and machinery and goodwill valued at rupees 32,000 and 20,000. जो नई फर्म की goodwill है it's measured after Chitra admitted, it's valued at 20,000. हमें चित्रा का शेयर निकालना पड़ेगा इसमें से. Next point says that Chitra brought her share of goodwill in cash. She brings her goodwill in cash. We call it premium for goodwill. And the important portion is E1. This one is very important part. They say Chitra brings proportionate goodwill, and the capital of Abhay and Vinay will be adjusted in their profit sharing ratio. Now Chitra brings proportionate goodwill or proportionate not goodwill. Here is proportionate capital. The mistake I written goodwill because she already brings goodwill in cash. So here Chitra brings proportionate capital and the capital of Abhay and Vinay will be adjusted in their profit sharing ratio by bringing and paying of cash as the case may be. Means चित्रा का जो शेयर है, चित्रा being proportionate capital, हमें चित्रा का शेयर निकालना है with the help of Abhay and Vinay adjusted capital, okay, in their profit sharing ratio. और उसके हिसाब से हमें मालूम चलेगा कि किस पार्टनर को एक्स्ट्रा कैश लाना है इन केस एज द केस मे बी. किसी पार्टनर को एक्स्ट्रा कैश लाना है या उसे पे करना है, या हमें फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर द वर्किंग नोट, okay, to find out the capital. So this is the question. You need to prepare revaluation account and partners capital account. As the question says, you need to prepare revaluation account and partners capital account. But I'm making the balance sheet over here also so that we can find out whether our balance sheet is exact or not. I hope the question is clear. Note down this one. Then we learn about how we find the capital adjustment when the new partner capital is not given. Okay, or when the proportionate capital is given. I hope the question is clear. Note it down. I hope you can able to see each and every part in the question. Okay, now अंडरस्टैंड. पहले हम इसका कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे. व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज नॉट गिवन, और सिंपल से, और व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर बीइंग प्रोपोर्शनल कैपिटल इज द सेम थिंग. तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस हाउ वी फाइंड. तो प्लीज नोट डाउन द हेडिंग व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज नॉट गिवन. जब नए पार्टनर की कैपिटल गिवन नहीं होती. व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज नॉट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. ओके, अब वैसे व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर बीइंग प्रोपोर्शनल कैपिटल, जो अभी अपने क्वेश्चन में देखा. नाउ हाउ वी फाइंड. तो नोट डाउन दिस स्टेप्स. स्टेप 1, द सिंपल पार्ट. Now this step are not for rectification. You need to understand this step because with the help of step we can easily find the capital adjustment, or we can easily find the answers also. So step 1, first thing is we need to find the total capital. How can we find total capital of the firm? It can be find out with the help of combined adjusted capital. Combined adjusted capital of old partner, combined adjusted capital of old partner, जो भी adjusted partner की capital आएगी, combined adjusted capital of old partner multiply by reciprocal of their combined share. That's step number 1. How can you find total capital? The total capital we can find combined adjusted capital of old partner multiplied by reciprocal of their combined share. अभी मैं आपको समझाऊंगा how we'll do it. Just note down the formula. Step 2 is, now when you get total capital, how can you find the new partner capital? From the total capital multiplied by new partner share. जो टोटल कैपिटल में से अगर नया पार्टनर का शेयर मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो वी कैन फाइंड द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. वी फाइंड द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. जस्ट स्टेप 2. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल? जो पूरी फर्म की जो टोटल कैपिटल आएगी उसमें मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यू पार्टनर शेयर. ओके, प्लीज मार्क द स्टार ओवर हियर. समटाइम्स, note this thing, sometimes in the question, question says that new partner brings, sometimes question says that new partner brings, sometimes the question says that new partner brings proportionate share, right? Dash share of combined capital. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में हमें ये भी दिया होगा, ये निकालने को बोला होगा कि न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग डैश शेयर ऑफ कंबाइंड कैपिटल. इन दिस केस हमें करना क्या है? जब मैं बोला समटाइम क्वेश्चन सेज दैट न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग डैश शेयर ऑफ कंबाइंड कैपिटल. कभी भी क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या होगा, हमें मेंशन किया होगा कि भाई न्यू पार्टनर जो है वो डैश शेयर ऑफ कंबाइंड कैपिटल आएगा. इन दिस केस, ठीक है, वी नीड टू न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू, how can I find the new partner capital? The new partner capital is equal to combined adjusted capital, combined adjusted capital. We find the combined adjusted capital multiplied by new partner share, multiplied by new partner share. जो भी नया पार्टनर का शेयर है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. वी फाइंड द कंबाइंड न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. तो कंबाइंड एडजस्टेड कैपिटल मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यू पार्टनर शेयर, न्यू पार्टनर शेयर ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द केस व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज नॉट गिवन. हमें ये स्टेप फॉलो करने. नाउ हमको समझते हैं हाउ विल डू इट, हम कैसे करेंगे. तो नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन, जो आपने क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको अभी लिखा है, हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वन इज मेक द वर्किंग नोट फर्स्ट. इन द वर्किंग नोट फाइंड what is the sacrificing ratio, and next thing is find the goodwill. Now we make the working note first. On the next page, prepare the format of revaluation account, partners capital account, and the next page prepare the format of balance sheet, so that we can make all together, we can save our time. As I already mentioned you, time management is very important for the board's examination. The first thing is find it. If you see in the question, it's mentioned that old chair is, the old share is not given. Now, if you see in the question, the old share is not given. When the profit share ratio is not given, when the old share is not given, we always take equal, irrespective of their capital. When the question is silent about the ratios, it always mentions that it's equal. Okay, the old share is equal. The working note 1, we find this is working note first. हमें old share given नहीं है, we take old share of Abhay Vinay is 1:1. Okay, now new partner Chitra brings, new partner brings, the new partner means 1/4 share. अब ये मेंशन नहीं है कि 1/4 शेयर कहां से मिला है. ऑलरेडी मेंशन यू वट एवर द ओल्ड रेशियो इज इक्वल टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. जब ये मेंशन नहीं होता कि न्यू पार्टनर को जो शेयर मिला है वो कहां से मिला है, ओके, और हमें न्यू पब्लिशिंग रेशियो गिवन नहीं है, तो वट एवर द ओल्ड शेयर इज द न्यू शेयर. तो इन केस also what is the old share is the sacrificing. The sacrificing ratio between Abhay and Vinay is 1:1. They are sacrificing in the old ratio only. Next thing is working note 2. Find the goodwill. We say calculation of goodwill. So how can you find calculation of goodwill? How can we calculate goodwill? The goodwill of the whole firm is given the question. They mention that the goodwill of the firm is valued at 20,000. पूरी firm की जो goodwill है वो 20,000 given है. And Chitra share is, Chitra is a new partner. Chitra share, her share is 1/4 in the firm. So means she brings, Chitra share will be 1/4. तो 20,000 का 1/4 how much is coming? 5,000. जो चित्रा शेयर ऑफ गुडविल is 5,000, and she brings, it's mentioned in the question, she brings her goodwill in cash. So that goodwill we call it premium for goodwill, because the new partners bringing her goodwill in cash. Okay, so Chitra brings her share of goodwill in cash, and she is bringing 5,000, and that 5,000 she is bringing in cash. We call it premium for goodwill. This is the working note 1 and 2. I hope this part is clear. Okay, next thing is how can you revaluation one. We need to prepare revaluation account. Now make the format of revaluation account. I hope you already make it. Revaluation account, and prepare the format of partners capital account also. I have a less space over here, otherwise I make all three accounts together. And simultaneously I will do the transaction. It will save our time. Okay, we write here particular amount in rupees. Credit side This one debit side, I know, I hope you know that particular amount in rupees. Now check the transaction number 1, which says that, okay, the bad debt, first thing is bad debt amount to be 1500 will be written off. Now check old part. आपको पहले कितना पैसा मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं थी? It's 1000 given the question. Now bad debt is increased by 500 rupees. Now new as mentioned question 1500 rupees is created as a bad debt. Okay, तो earlier the old provision was 1000, new provision कितना हो गया 1500, तो कितना bad debt बढ़ गया है 500. तो we write simple over here to bad debts या provision for bad debt दोनों सही हैं. तो bad debt account is given the question 500. तो हमारा bad debt कितना बढ़ गया 500. Same point है. Second point is stock worth rupees 8000 was taken over by Abhay and Binay. ओके, तो स्टॉक की जो वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में गिवन है वो 10,000 है, उसमें से 8,000 का स्टॉक अभय बिने ने टेक ओवर कर लिया. इधर से ये स्टॉक हमें दे दीजिए, ये इनके बिजनेस में गया, वो अपने घर ले गए, बट एट बुक वैल्यू ना ही कम पे ले गए ना ही ज्यादा पे ले गए, एट द बुक वैल्यू अपने घर लेके चले गए. तो हम की कैपिटल से डिक्रीज करेंगे, इसकी एंट्री कोई रिवॉल्यूशन में नहीं होगी, बिकॉज वो स्टॉक 8,000 का स्टॉक, टोटल स्टॉक 10,000 था, 8,000 का स्टॉक वो 8,000 में अपने घर ले गए. ओके, तो फर्म के लिए ना ये प्रॉफिट है ना लॉस है. नेक्स्ट है द रिमेनिंग स्टॉक वैल्यूड एट 2500. अब स्टॉक कितना बचा? आउट ऑफ 10,000 8,000 वर टेकन ओवर बाय अभय बिने. अब स्टॉक कितना बचा 2000. ये स्टॉक 2500 का वैल्यूड हुआ है, मींस द 500 इंक्रीज दियर. जो बाकी जो बचा स्टॉक था वो इंक्रीज हुआ है. कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है? तो 500 रुपीज. तो वी राइट बाय स्टॉक इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय 500 रुपीज बिकॉज रिमेनिंग स्टॉक इज वैल्यूड एट 2500. Next part is, we will see the plant and machinery is valued at 32,000 and the old value of plant and machinery is 60,000. तो plant and machine में decrease आया है, आपकी जो plant and machinery है वो कम हो गई है. There is an expense for the firm. तो plant and machinery, आपकी old value of plant and machinery is 60,000 and the new value is of plant and machinery is 32,000. It means the plant and machinery is decreasing by 28,000. And no other information is there regarding increase in assets and liabilities. So here total of is 28,500. by loss is here. तो loss कितने का हुआ है 28,000 का. we balance it is coming 28,500. now divide this loss between Abhay and Binay in their old profit share ratio, and their old profit share ratio is equal. Okay, the old profit share where the ratio is not given we take equally. Divide by Abhay capital account and by Binay capital account. So Abhay will be bearing 14,000, Binay will be 14,000 is a loss they need to bear it. I hope this part is clear. This revaluation portion is clear to all of you. How we create prepare revaluation account. Next portion is partners capital account. Next हमें बनाना है partners capital account. Okay, how we prepare partners capital account? Make the format. The three partners. Particular capital of Abhay, Binay and Chitra. Again particulars capital of Abhay, Binay and Chitra. To write Abhay, Binay and Chitra. Here's particulars. Credit side again Abhay, Binay and Chitra. Particulars over here. Debit side. Okay, how we'll solve this question now? The first thing is check what is the opening balance is given the question. हमें opening balance कितना given है question में check करिए. Okay, तो we write by balance broke down. If you see the question 55,000 30,000, so we write by balance broke down 55,000 and 30,000. We write by bank. अभी इस कॉलम को हम खाली छोड़ेंगे बिकॉज जैसे चित्रा ब्रिंग्स प्रोपोर्शन कैपिटल तो हमें मालूम नहीं है. अगर हम एंट्री करते हैं तो हम एंट्री क्या करते थे वैसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा नहीं है, पर यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट when we new partner brings his share of goodwill capital and goodwill cash, we write bank account debit to Chitra's capital and to cash. Okay, हमें ये मालूम है she is bringing 5,000 goodwill cash, लेकिन हमें चित्रा की कैपिटल मालूम नहीं है, इसलिए हमें टोटल बैंक भी मालूम नहीं चलेगा. ओके, बिकॉज हमें मालूम नहीं है, हमें सिर्फ इतना मालूम है शी इज ब्रिंगिंग गुडविल इन कैश एंड दैट गुडविल इज चित्रा कैपिटल. दैट कैश इज गुडविल इज वी राइट प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल. शी ब्रिंगिंग प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल इन कैश which is 5,000 and that premium is to be distributed between that premium for goodwill old partners which are Abhay and Binay in their old ratio. ये हम एंट्री करते थे. This 5,000 PM for goodwill it distributed between Abhay and Binay in their 75 ratio and their 75 ratio is equal. Okay, ये एंट्री करने की जरूरत नहीं है, but only thing you need to understand is हमें ये बैंक मालूम नहीं है and कितनी वो कैपिटल आया है चित्रा, how much she brings कैपिटल ये हमें गिवन नहीं है, तो ये हम यहाँ पर डैश करेंगे. अभी हम मालूम नहीं है, we need to find out, हमें निकालना है, हमें चित्रा की कैपिटल को फाइंड करना है. I hope this is clear. Okay, next thing is what are the things which are need to be distributed among partner and things which is need to be bear by the partners. The first thing is if we say premium, buy premium for goodwill. She brings 5,000, Chitra brings 5,000 her share of goodwill which we distribute between Abhay and Binay in their 75 ratio which is equal to 5,000, 2,500, 2,500 Abhay and Binay में distribute हो गया. Next thing is workman compensation fund. Now here you want that worksman कोई claim नहीं है, workman compensation fund में कोई claim नहीं है, तो we write directly by workman compensation fund or simply write by WCF. इतने by workman compensation fund कोई भी claim नहीं है, तो जो भी workman compensation fund old partners से बनाया था, ठीक है, they are benefited from this thing because WCF कोई claim नहीं हुआ है, तो WCF will be distributed to old partners and WCF is given workman का 15,000 distributed between Abhay and Binay in their old ratio which is 7,500 and 7,500. Okay, next portion is now we need to find out how much revaluation loss is here. So we write 2 revaluation loss 14,000 and 14,000 ये हमने फाइंड किया है. नेक्स्ट लाइन whenever goodwill appear in the old balance sheet, जब भी goodwill पुरानी बुक्स में अपीयर होती है हमें राइट ऑफ करना पड़ता है. The simple thing, don't be confused on that. जब भी goodwill पुरानी बैलेंस शीट में गिवन होती है हमें क्या करना है, इसको राइट ऑफ करना है, बिकॉज एज पर AS 26 अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 26 बोलता है goodwill cannot be shown in the books. हम goodwill को बुक में शो नहीं कर सकते. तो whatever the goodwill appear in the old balance sheet we need to write off and write off in the old ratio. So goodwill is given question 10,000, we need to write off 5,000 and 5,000. Okay, next thing is profit and loss is given the balance sheet. When the profit and loss account is given, the asset side is a loss. The profit and loss in simple term I'm writing loss over here because it's given the balance sheet. मैंने स्टार मार्क किया था. That loss is to be bear by the old partners. Okay, 2,500 in their old ratio. Here the old ratio and 75 ratio is equal, is 1:1. Next, it's mentioned in question adjustment number B part, stock worth rupees 8,000. 8,000 का stock कौन ले गया? Old partner Abhay and Binay. In their old profit sharing ratio, to write 2 stock. 4,000 is taken by Abhay, 4,000 taken by Binay. Because कैसे आया? 8,000 का stock था, वो Abhay and Binay ने take over कर लिया. Okay, तो stock कितना था? 8,000. Abhay ने कितना लिया? Half of that, because their old profit share ratio is equal. Is it clear? Because clearly mentioned the question, they took over the stock in their profit share ratio. So what is the old profit share ratio? Is equal, 1:1. So stock 4,000 taken by Abhay, 4,000 taken by Binay. Okay, now we do the capital adjustment part. अब समझिए इसको. This is capital adjustment part. We need to find out. अभी हमने जो स्टेप नोट किए थे देखिए उस हिसाब से we find we do the step one say that total capital we need to find the total capital हमें total capital निकालनी है तो how can you find total capital adjust capital तो हमें सबको adjust करना पड़ेगा now add them if you add them 55,000 plus 2,500 plus is 65,000 okay right 65,000 over here now subtract 65,000 from this thing which is 14,000 minus 5,000 minus 2,500 minus 4,000 okay and it's coming on the work check again do the calculation part calculation खुद करिए आप so it become easier for you आपकी calculation की practice भी होगी तो 65,000 we need to 14,000 minus 5,000 minus 2,500 minus 4,000 is coming 39,500. If you see, check the balance. Check the balance is coming. We write the balance of Abhay. जो Abhay का balance आया is 39,500. Now 65,000 minus all the sums is coming 39,500. Okay, similarly, your total of this thing is 40,000 minus इसका balance है minus करिए इसको 40,000 minus 14,000 minus 5,000 minus 24 minus if you subtract 40,000 minus 14,000 minus 2,500 minus 4,000 is coming 14,500 okay it's coming 14,500 ओके मैंने इसका बैलेंस नहीं लिखा है डेलिबरेटली अभी आपको मालूम चलेगा क्यों लिखा है तो वी फाइंड द एडजस्टेड कैपिटल ऑफ अभय एंड विनय तो अभय कैपिटल इज द कैपिटल ऑफ अभय इज 39,500 and the capital of Vinay is coming 14,500 now add them if you add them 39,500 plus 14,500 and their share is if we check their share is 1:1 the total adjusted capital of old partner is coming 54,000. Now check जो हमने पहले किया था. How can you find the new partner capital? So step one says that total capital combined adjusted capital of old partner which is coming 54,000. Step number one जो हमने अभी सीखा था 54,000 multiply by reciprocal of their share. If we ठीक है multiply reciprocal of their share. So their share in the firm is the new partner is coming with 1/4 share. So their share in the firm is 3/4. 3/4 is the share of Abhay and Vinay. So reciprocal share is 4/3. And what is the new partner share in that? Is 1/4. The new partner share is 1/4. और simple way, अगर हम इसको और simple way में समझें, तो इस तरह से, if you see that, now check this part. Now 54,000 is the combined adjusted capital of Abhay and Vinay. Their share in the firm is 4/3. Now how can you find 4/3? 1/4 is coming. ठीक है, if you subtract 1/4, the new partner is coming in the 1/4 share. Okay, it's coming with the 1/4 share. 1/4 is coming 3/4. Now reciprocal of their share is 4/3. And what is the new partner share in that? 54,000. So if you subtract, so if you divide 51 divided by 3 is coming 18,000. The new partner, which is Chitra, she is bringing 18,000 as a share of capital. The first thing, we find the first thing. The Chitra is bringing 18,000 as a share of capital. But the line says that if you see the line, E part, Chitra will bring proportional capital and the capital of Abhay and Vinay will be adjusted at their profit sharing ratio. Their new capital will be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio. Okay, by bringing or paying cash will be. Now how can you find the adjusted capital? We find the new capital. The new partner capital is 18,000. So Chitra is bringing 18,000. Now, if you see the adjusted capital, okay, so 39,500 is the balance of Abhay plus 14,500 is the balance of Vinay. Now, half of that is, if you simply because their old share is 1:1, so it means that Abhay needs to bring 27,000. And similarly, Vinay needs to bring half of again 27,000. So their new capital will be 27,000. Okay, they need to bring 27,000 and 27,000 as a share of capital. Now how can you find the adjusted capital of Abhay plus adjusted capital Binay? Okay, and half of the, because they are new sharers, new capital in their profit sharing ratio. So how can you find new profit? Add the total adjusted capital, divide half. Okay, half of them 27,000 is coming 54,000 का half करिए. इसके 27,000 the capital need to be bring by Abhay and 27,000 किसको लाना है? Binay को लाना है. Okay, so their balance sheet is, if right here their capitals will be, balance sheet will be 27,000 and 27,000. Now here, अब आप check करिए, because we already find how much is coming Abhay and Binay. अभी को कितने कैपिटल लानी है? 27,000. बट ये ऑलरेडी कितनी आ चुका है? 39,500. तो इट मीन्स दैट अबे को 12,500 रुपीज वापस करेगी. दिस अ फर्म की लायबिलिटी है कि वो फर्म को 12,500 वापस करे. एंड द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट द फर्म इज पेइंग और विड्रॉइंग कैश. फर्म पे कर रही है कैश के फर्म में बाय ब्रिंगिंग और पेइंग ऑफ कैश. इट मीन्स हियर वी राइट बिकॉज अबे नीड टू ब्रिंग 27,000 as a new capital, but is already bringing 39,500. We write here to cash 12,500. This one is, I'm making a star over here so that you're able to understand this. इसको कितना वापस होगा? 12,500. And Binay को कितना वापस होगा? Now here, Binay need to bring 27,000, but Binay कितना आ रहा है? Binay is bringing only 14,500. इसको all लाना है. Now how much Binay need to brings? Binay again he needs to bring 12,500. इसको all लेके आनी, capital को बढ़ाना है, because as per capital, as per new agreement, Binay need to bring 27,000. Now how much he is bringing? He is bringing only 14,500. तो उसको कितना और लेके आना है? 12,500. We write here by cash account. The Binay needs to bring 12,500 more. Now this is a particular way. I hope you understand the same. The new capital of the firm is 18,000. Binay को कितना लेके आना है? 12,500 और लेके आना है, because he is bringing only 14,500. उसको अपनी कैपिटल को कितना करना है? 27,000 in their profit sharing ratio, which is equal. Okay, so it's 27,000, and cash account will be 12,500, which you need to bring back Binay. So Binay को 12,500 और लेके आना है. That's how we make the partner's capital account. The total is coming 65,000 over here. This side is both, we write 52,500, and here is 18,000 only. It's coming 52,500 and 18,000. That's how we adjust the capital. Okay, we find the new partner capital also, or we adjust capital. Now we need to make the balance sheet. The balance sheet of the new firm. I hope you note down this one. Then we make the balance sheet. Now make the balance sheet now. We're not making a separate cash account. We will do the cash account in the balance sheet part only. To save our time, we write balance sheet when the new partner is admitted. So we need to prepare the balance sheet on 1st April 2014. The balance sheet as on 1st April 2014. Right here, liabilities. Amount in rupees. Assets. Amount in rupees. First thing is, take the capital account. The capital account of partners, right? Capital accounts. Abhay, Binay, and Chitra. So Abhay capital कितनी है? 27,000 we find. Binay capital is 27,000. Chitra capital is 18,000. Okay. Next thing is creditors. There are no change in creditors. So we write creditors 13,000. Creditors 13,000. Then employee provident fund at told you EPF is treated like a creditor only. It's outside liability to EPF. No change in EPF is coming 8,000. Okay. Now no other information is given. Now check the asset side. The first thing is mentioned here bank. The bank is a cash. Bank and cash is same thing. Now what is the opening balance of bank is given? 15,000. First thing, the new partner brings how much? 18,000 as share of capital plus 5,000 as share of goodwill. 18,000 as share of capital plus 5,000 share of goodwill. Now important part here. How much firm ने बिने को कितना पैसा वापस करना है? We minus 12,500 because this is amount जो बिने को वापस करना है. Sorry, अभय को वापस करना है and 12,500 जो बिने को लेके आना है. It makes a balance nil only, but you understand this sum. 12,500 जो हमने कैपिटल एडजस्टमेंट किया था उसके हिसाब से to make because अभय already कैपिटल ज़्यादा लेके आ चुका था तो उसको हमें 12,500 वापस करना है and बिने को 12,500 और लेके आना है. It makes your cash balance 38,000. If you have 15, okay, 23. Check again because might be there's some. Do the calculation part. Coming 38,000. Next is debtors. Debtors mentioned the question. Debtor देखिए कितने question में? Is debtors mentioned question 22,000. Now provision of doubtful debt is 1,500 now. We less provision 1,500 because पहले 1,000 माइनस करते हैं हमारा provision 500 बढ़ गया है. Now we subtract 1,500 is coming 20,500 for the debtors. I hope this part is clear. Debtors coming 20,500. In the same way we write stock. Stock की value कितनी होगी थी? Stock 2,500. Next part is if we say plant, plant भी हमारा कम हो गया था. Old value of plant is 60,000. Okay, and that decrease of if you see the revaluation part, हमारा stock कितना decrease हुआ था? The stock is decreasing by plant and machinery is decreasing by 28,000. The new value of plant and machinery is 32,000. Now check if there any other thing is here in the question. There no other thing is here. Now make you will do the total of asset side. I will do a liability side. The 27 plus 27 is 54 plus 18 is makes 72 plus 13. Okay, it's coming 93,000 for liabilities. And if you check the asset side, 38,000. Okay, we need to add 20,500 plus 2,500 plus 32,000 is coming 93,000. 90,000 is the balance of asset. So the balance sheet is correct. I hope you understand this question. We will practice more and more question. In case you find any problem, plus do write to me. Take care. Note down this question before. I hope you all understood it. Fine. I will come back with the next question.